Welcome to the Invoicing Schedule video tutorial. We show you how to schedule invoices. This option is primarily used in scenarios where monthly or termly fees are billed to students who fall under the specified enrollment type on a specific day of the month. Go to Administration, Student Billing, and then Invoicing Schedule. You can edit and add new schedule data to the data that is displayed. Go ahead and click on Add, the green button on your top right. Add the schedule name to the field description. Set the due date for this schedule to run using the date selector. Check all of the fees that must be included in the invoicing schedule, then click Save. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications on our YouTube channel.